my name is Kelly O'Dore and I'm the Marketing Director for Brookster Property Management Platform. Welcome to this short introductory series on search engine optimization, or SEO for short. Now, in this mini series, we'll be covering 3 distinct topics. The first video, this one, what is SEO and what is it for? The second section will be about best practices for SEO. And finally, what is SEM and how to use it. So let's get started with today's conversation. What is SEO and what is it for? So SEO is short for search engine optimization. But in all honesty, when I first started working with SEO, I didn't find that it was very helpful to know what it stood for. Search engines are websites like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. So when you're searching for something, like most of us have, for example, holiday homes in Brighton, I would go to google.com or google.co.uk or google.es and I would type in holiday homes in Brighton. And the search engine, let's say it's Google in this case, will present me with results pages, which shows pages upon pages of links to websites. This is the search engine. Okay? And the optimization in search engine optimization means following a selection of rules so that Google or Bing recognize your website and position it in a place where your potential guests will see it and want to visit it. This is search engine optimization. I think actually it's easier to understand SEO by thinking about what its goal is, because actually its goal, it's not complicated. The goal of SEO is to ensure that your website is seen and usable by your potential customers when they're using search engines like Google. That's it. So I'm going to show you what SEO is and how it looks to you and your potential customers. So I'm going to do this by giving you an example. I've done a search in google.com for vacation rentals in Florida. And I'm going to talk you through what we get in the results. So what you can see here is the search engine results page. We also call this SERPs. Depending on what you search for, there can be a number of different types of results. Now this search has given me 5 different sections, so I'm going to talk you through those. Here at the top, you'll see ads, which are paid for advertising, and I'm going to come back to that in the third video. The next 2 sections are really interesting because they're really new for our industry. That third one in particular, look at it there, it says it's from Google Partners. This is a really new direction for Google, moving it into the holiday rental market, and you're going to find a lot of conversation about this. Now this next section is entitled People Also Ask. So Google provides questions that it suggests people are interested in, and then it provides a small answer plus a link to the website that has the answers. People Also Ask and the organic results are the areas where your website will appear if you can optimize your SEO. In this final section, Google provides other phrases and other keywords that it says people are using for the same or similar topics. So the changes that you make to your website will affect where you are on the search engine results page that you want to be visible on. Now, my overarching advice for anybody who's wanting to create a website, whether it's for bamboo toothbrushes or for holiday rentals or whatever it might be, is this. You have to create and look after your website for 2 different audiences. Real people, like your potential customers, and the search engines. There is absolutely no point in creating a super slick, fast loading, mobile friendly website if it's got no interesting content for your visitors. They will come to your site and they will leave your site. Likewise, you can create the best content for your visitors. But if the site is slow, it's using words which your visitors aren't, then you're on the wrong path. So the first task that I would recommend you do when you're thinking about your website, first of all, think about who your customers are. What do they want from your website? What do they need? Start building a profile of these people, because this is essential for understanding what content you want to put on your website to attract them, what's going to keep them on the website, what's going to help them book. So that's it for today. We've looked at what SEO is, which is the tasks that you need to do to ensure that the search engines like Google can recognize your attractive content-filled website, and it will put it in front of the people that you want so they can make bookings with you. I hope you found this short video useful and it inspires you to think about your website and how visible it is on the search engines. I'll be back next time with best practices for helping you make improvements to your website or for setting up your website at the beginning. So thanks for taking the time today, and bye for now.